We love to bring you an exclusive at the Kit Room, and we're really delighted that Bob's brought a brand new, well, reasonably new piece of kit with him. It's called the Cric. Great title. What does the Cric do, mate?
Does lots of stuff. It really is a cool piece of kit. It has many functions. We can use it to do lots of things. We can swap things out of our normal rack, so we carry less kit, we carry smaller bits of kit, we carry lighter bits of kit. You can replace a lot of items off your rack with it, so you can use it as a hand jammer, you could use it as a pulley, we can use it as a progress adjust. Small and light. I like to use it with the REAX carabiner, which is a really nice, light, short carabiner, especially when we're thinking about saving height. The Cric itself is a very light device, less than a large steel carabiner, probably about the same weight as a large aluminium carabiner. Even on the inside, things like the cam, we've gone to great expense, really cutting edge engineering to make this cam as small and as light and as thin as possible. If you look at the cams that you'll find in standard hand jammers, there's a lot more material in there, therefore a lot heavier, and we still get all the strength. This is all fully rated, so full strength hand jammer, full strength pulley. It's a great bit of kit.
It's fantastic. What's the price point on it?
It's about £85, 85 euros, depending on
like a bargain.
When you think you can replace one hand jammer, one pulley and one carabiner in a hauling system with just this one bit of kit, then it's very cost effective.
Are there any other cool features that we can use it?
There's a really nice little thing, and not many people will notice it. If you've ever used a fixed cheek pulley, you'll know you've got to use your oval carabiner because you can't pinch the cheeks, they bend them in. And this would be very much like that fixed cheek pulley because the sides are fixed.
Right.
The oval REAX sits in there perfectly, just hangs nice and straight, everything's great, yeah?
Yep.
If we change it and we use an offset D carabiner, so this carabiner's got a big angle to it.
Yep.
If I put it through, still hangs nicely between the two cheeks because the hole on the back is a slightly different orientation and shape to the hole on the front, so that with an offset D or an oval, everything sits perfectly.
Fantastic. Great. It seems like there's almost limitless applications for this little bit of kit.
It's that multi-tool.
Well, I think you agree. What a fabulous piece of kit with many applications. You'll be able to buy it on our web shop at www.reaxlimited.com. And if you click on the link below, you'll be able to see a video of the Skylotec Cric.